try to do with the wiring is... Let me know. I'm the battery plug.
Yeah, you are.
Well, I'm not, but I got the battery plug. This, I had to wire in a fuse and then put on these circle terminal connectors and then connect it to these.
Holy crap. Wow, your hair. Oh.
So, like right there where the paint's at.
Yeah, that's good.
See the screen?
Yeah. So yeah.
And back.
So it would be like facing, this part would be on the wall part, yeah.
Yeah, this would be on the wall.
So you would put a hole in it?
Put a hole in the floor.
Yeah.
Some heat shield.
So this would be in the van 24/7?
Yeah.
Right?
I mean,
Okay.
this paint should go inside.
Yeah, no, you're right.
So I could drill a hole for the air intake too.
Nice.
You like that?
Yeah, that's a good measurement, yeah.
So, about
I know where you got that from.
no.
Oh.
What I'm gonna look underneath. It's about 11. Is that okay?
Yeah.
There goes nothing. It's gonna come out in chunks.
Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. That's wild. Slide it in the hole. Oh my gosh.
Sweet. Heat shield.
Heat shield. In front of us. Just rip that off. I would.
I kind of did.
Yeah. We talked. That magic, Mike fixing it. Magic. Wow, that's awesome. Wow. What a difference.
And then I could put like RTV silicone.
Yeah, so you'll do it through the, you want to vacuum it real quick? It's a little bit dusty.
Where? Air going through. Because, you know, just, like, you're not going to get...
It just goes to show that true colors come out within a time. Wow. It's true. Might as well shed them when you first meet somebody. Tip 101, get it from Leah. Now.
Little bag.
Yeah, so that's all the way back. Yeah, so the battery, can the battery just go here?
It might not quite. And I could, and then you hold this to turn on the fuel pump for 2 seconds. Oh, you'll hear it.
Like being ready?
Click.